Here's how to pay with your phone. First of all, go to settings, then choose connections, and then you want to go to NFC and contactless payments and make sure that this option is enabled. If it's disabled, you won't be able to pay with your phone. Next, we need to have a wallet, or actually an app that works like a wallet, and we have one in the Samsung folder, for example this Samsung Wallet. However, I don't really like that app and I can recommend another one. So let's go to the Play Store and let's search for wallet. We're gonna download Google Wallet. This one works the best. It is the most well-known app for keeping your data for credit and debit cards. Once it is installed, we can open it and then we can press add wallet in the bottom right corner if you can. If you see notifications, you can allow them. Press add to wallet and choose payment card. You will open the rear camera, so you can use it in order to scan your card, or you can use enter details manually text over here at the bottom, fill everything in, and then scroll all the way down and press save and continue and follow all the instructions that you will see on the screen. When you want to pay with your phone, remember that it has to be unlocked. You can also set up the default wallet by going back to the NFC settings, and then over here where we have default wallet app, we can switch to Google Wallet. Check more guides on my channel, like, comment, subscribe.